This week is Public Utilities Learning Labs. It's connected with our LEAPS program.
The purpose is to give the students real-life, hands-on examples of where they can use their STEM education.
Get an understanding of the role that STEM plays in the utility industry.
We've learned what it takes to practically run a city.
They've had a field trip to a power plant and a water treatment facility.
The utilities were really interesting because I didn't know how much work went into turning on a light or taking a shower because the water comes from everywhere.
I learned that the process of making water, it's not just, oh, they clean the water and then they give it to us. It's actually a distributor who distributes it to bigger companies, who distributes it to smaller people, and then us.
In that room, I'm learning how to weld metals or how to cut and chop metals as well.
Here at Vocademy, these kids are basically starting to develop their own skills.
Vocademy is a vocational academy. The name describes it. It's where anyone over the age of 14 can come and learn these hands-on skills.
We have welding and fabrication, we have 3D printing, laser cutting, CAD, sewing, electronics.
We are making a helmet from the movie Thor.
We're 3D printing a lizard.
We're trying to light up 3 different LEDs using 3 different resistors.
And now I'm cutting off the wires so we don't have all these long little wires sticking out poking at you.
There's also a need for people to have the hands-on skills. We need people that understand mechanics and how to make things, basically.
Kids like me that looked out the window at school, there's hope for them to have a career.
In the public utilities industry, the different pathways for careers are many and maybe a little bit obscure to the average student or even the average citizen.
We have to have the students be aware of these career opportunities because unfortunately, some of us retire.
Well, I do want to be a STEM major, but in public utilities, you don't really need to in order to play a huge role in it. And that's what I found really interesting.
Bringing these youth together, getting their minds to open up.
They can use this for like blueprints to make have an idea of what they're going to make before they actually make it.
Kind of makes me rethink about my future.
How I'm learning over there makes me more inspired to become a teacher.
We need to be raising up the next generation to know how to do all these important jobs.
They're doing a lot more hands-on experience and it's really exciting to see.
Science is all about hands-on.
Yeah, it's completely way different. I really like it a lot. You know, it helps me learn even better and faster.
It's the concept of us making stuff with our hands that kind of sets us for the future.
This huge opportunity just to have this at your disposal is just amazing.
They get it hands-on in a lab. This lets them step into a different kind of lab. And they're having fun with both.